Hi there everybody, it's UK independent demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.com. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm back playing with a Kangaroo and Company photopolymer stamp set. This is from the mini catalogue from Stampinup and it is just too cute. This is the second or third card I think I've now made. You can view the others on my YouTube, but I love it. It really is sweet. And I've laid this up, lots of different stamps, and I've cut them all out using the dies. Let me show you how I put it together. So first of all, you're going to need a piece of scrap basic white to do all your stamping on with first. Okay, so you want one of the mini Kangaroo. There's little baby Roo. Do leave a gap because you are going to be using the dies to cut this out. If you don't have the dies, fussy cutting, but you do want to leave a little bit of gap. Then you want two of the hearts, so one, two. You want one of the flowers. You want to be doing these with Memento because we're going to be blending these in. You want one of the envelope. And you also want one of the Mama Kangaroo. So I've done this one for a new baby and I've called it Hello Baby, but it could also have been like a no, it couldn't be because it's mum and baby. It's a new baby card. I was looking at the hearts thinking you could use them for Valentine's, but that would just be a weird card. There we go. Just going to pop my lid on my ink pad before I pop my elbow in it. Right, for colouring these in, what you want to do is you don't need to colour in the envelope because you'll notice I have actually put a little heart on it. But what I did do is I did put dark Poppy Parade underneath just in case I didn't get my heart exactly straight because sometimes I have a bit wobbly hands. So you want light petal pink for Kanga's tummy and her ears. And then for little Roo's tummy, his nose, oh sorry, you want the noses as well, and the ears, light petal pink. I've used the ivory blend for the rest of the body. And down there. I haven't done too much blending on these. I've let the stamps work rather than the blends. I mean, ordinarily I'd have used 2 or 3 different colours and got some real nice blending going on in these, but I thought there was so much going on in the card already. You just needed some basic colour on there, so very simple blending going on. There we go, there's Mama Kanga and Roo. Then for the hearts, I've used the bullet tip of the dark Poppy Parade for the shading on the edges. Like that. And then I've gone over the rest of the heart with the light Poppy Parade. Just blended that in. I've done another card on my YouTube using this set that I really liked that focused more on the flowers, and I thought that they look really pretty with the flowers in the colours I'd chosen. which was light Highland Heather, dark Flirty Flamingo, light Granny Apple Green, and dark Mango Melody, and I just really like them like that, so I've kept them the same for this card. So with the dark Flirty Flamingo, you just, oh, I'll use the bullet tip because this is a lot of a smaller size. So the dark Flirty Flamingo did the open daisy type flowers. Like that. The Highland Heather did these tulip style flowers, the lovely little swirls. And then the Granny Apple Green on the leaves. Finished off with the Mango Melody for the centre of the flowers, like that. Okay, so then you want to cut them all out using the coordinating dies. I've already done it to save time, really. There we go. Oh, also with your scrap basic white, what you're going to need is you're going to need the sentiment. So I used Hello Baby, which was just here, but there's lots of little sentiments that you could put on here. I'm going to keep with Hello Baby because I just like the font on it. I think it's really pretty. So I'm just going to pop that on my block, grab my ink again. And because I'm going to be punching this out with our Heart Duos punch, you just want to make sure that you've got enough of a gap around it for the punch. Okay, so the hearts come as two punches. One is a straight line punch like that, and the other one is a scallop. And the scallop is slightly bigger than the straight line punch, so it will sit underneath as a frame. So I'm going to use the straight line punch on the basic white around the Hello Baby like that. And I'm going to use a scalloped punch with some Poppy Parade cardstock. So I've just got some scrap Poppy Parade cardstock, and I'm just going to punch that out. And then I'm going to stick one onto the other like that. Okay, for my card I have got a piece of basic white that is 10 centimeters by 14.35 centimeters, and before I go anywhere I'm going to pop the ribbon across. So this ribbon is part of a duo. It's the Pampered Pets duo. You have this ribbon and you also have a black and white twine. I'm using this one because it coordinates with the paper. So I'm just going to pop that on like that. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm just going to grab some glue dots, and I'm going to pop a glue dot on the end of the ribbon. Pop it on the back of the card and then run it around. So if I put the card there, I can get this round pretty straight. Come on, wrap all the way around. There we go. And then I just want a glue dot there as well. Where's my little piercing tool? There it is. Okay. I'm going to stick this onto the base now because I don't want that glue dot to stick to my grid paper. So I'm sticking this onto the base flat. This is thick basic white that is cut in half and scored in half. And I'm just going to pop some seal onto the back of it. that so it sits nice and flush on the page. Okay, so it's just got a slight frame around it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start playing now with all the bits and pieces to getting them on the card. So I'm going to start off with the sentiment because that's the bottom base bit, and you're going to want some dimensionals. So I'm going to pop just one dimensional in the middle, and then that will allow me to work around. So I'll show you how we're going to start. I'm going to pop it towards the side of the card, about there. And then I'm going to work out where I want little baby Roo on the corner like that. And I'm going to pop, I've took this off so it's sticky on this side. I'm going to take the backing off that side so it's sticky on both sides like that. And I am just going to pop it a little bit under the sentiment so it balances it up there, but also that it will stick Roo down like that. Okay. I'm going to go and play at the top. So I want the hearts down first. So I'm going to stick those so they're flat. So I'm going to put some seal on the back and just feed that underneath the heart just there. I then want the flowers on, but the flowers are still going under the heart, but they're being popped up a little bit. So I'm going to pop one dimensional on there and feed those under the heart like that. And then finally, these ones are going on top of the heart and they're also being popped up. So I'm going to pop another dimensional on there and I'm just going to pop that like that. Finally, for Kanga, I'm going to do the exact same as I did with Roo. So she's going to be over here. So I want to take the back off this one so it's nice and sticky on both sides. And I just want to pop that underneath about there so it balances the heart and balances her. And then I'm just going to pop one on the back of her head and one down by her tail to keep her balanced. And stick her on. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I've got the little envelope as well. So I'm going to do exactly the same as what I've done with Kangaroo and Roo. Pop that underneath for both in the centre and then just pop the card on there. There we go. Little ribbon now. So I'm just going to tie that in a little bow. And pop a glue dot on the back of it. Stick that down on there. To finish up, I have these lovely embellishments. They are the heart resin embellishments. These are from the mini catalogue. They're with the snail suite. And I'm just going to grab 2 white and 2 red. And I'm going to, oh no, sorry, 3 red because I want to put one on my envelope there and like that, and it fits just perfectly. But like I said, I would still colour it in underneath just in case you're like me and you've got shaky hands and you just miss it. You don't want it to be obvious. So a little white one there, I think, and a little white one at the top. And then finally I had some of the little rhinestones just to add a little bit of blitz and bling. And there we go. That is my card. I love it. I do really, really like this set. It's one of my favourites. Kangaroo and Company. This set and everything I've used today is available from www.slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you have liked the project, do give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, let me know where you're from, let me know if you've liked it. And if you do like the videos, please do subscribe for more content. Thank you everybody, have a lovely day and see you soon. Bye! I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store www.slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.